Hello student, so this is Swamit Gupta. We started the integral part in the previous lecture. This is from basics and this is lecture 2. In the previous lecture we see some formulas and the indefinite integration, how we just write the indefinite integration to solve it. Now see some problem. Some basic problem is there. The first question is integral of x cube minus 1 divided by x squared dx. There we you see some properties that we just split the two function. Then here we split the two function. Let's say first function is x cube divided by x square minus 1 upon x square dx. We make this two function fx or say gx and then solve this separately. Then x cube divided by x square, x cube divided by x square is x dx minus 1 upon x square is x की power minus 2 into dx. Then using the formula integration of x की power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This formula we see in the previous lecture. Using this formula we solve this the above question. Integration of x dx equal to x square by 2 minus x to the power minus 2 gives x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Then solve this question, solve this, and we just find the नेट आंसर x स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन x प्लस सी. इस तरीके से इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करते हुए हम आंसर फाइंड कर लिए. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इट इज इंटीग्रल x टू द पावर 2 by 3 प्लस 1 into dx. नाउ स्प्लिट इनटू टू पार्ट. इंटीग्रल x टू द पावर 2 by 3 dx प्लस इंटीग्रल 1 into dx. x टू द पावर 2 by 3 इंटीग्रेशन इस फॉर्मूले से क्या होगा, x टू द पावर 2 by 3 प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई 2 by 3 प्लस 1 प्लस इंटीग्रल ऑफ dx क्या होता है x और सम कांस्टेंट c. ये c क्यों पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था, c इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि ये इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन है. देन सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इंटीग्रल ऑफ sin x प्लस cos x into dx. देन अगेन स्प्लिट इंटीग्रल sin x dx प्लस इंटीग्रल cos x dx. इंटीग्रल ऑफ sin x dx इज माइनस cos x. इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos x dx इज sin x प्लस सम कांस्टेंट c. नाउ सी सम अदर प्रॉब्लम्स. See the other problem. Integral 1 minus sin x divided by cos square dx. So basically split into two part. Integral 1 upon cos square dx minus 1 into sin x divided by cos square dx. Then integral 1 upon cos square means sec square. Integral sec square dx minus, just solve this, sin upon cos square. So split 2 cos. Sin x divided by cos x is 10x and other one cos x is 1 upon cos x equal to sec x. So we find this. So integral of sec square x is 10x. Integral of 10x sec x is minus sec x. So finally we get the answer. Now see the next problem. Integral of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into e to the power x minus 1 upon x into dx. Now split into three part. So the first part is x to the power 3 by 2 dx plus 2 into e to the power x dx minus 1 upon x dx. In the previous lecture we see the property that if there is any real number or a constant any k, then we just remove out from the integration. So we use that integral of x to the power 3 by 2 dx plus 2 into integration e to the power x dx minus 1 upon x dx. Then just solve the integration. The basic formulas we see in the previous questions. 1 upon x dx integral is minus log of e mod of x, because is in here in the part of the logarithm the x is positive part, that's why we take the mod. And log base is also called as ln. So what we say as log x base e or say ln x. Then solve this. Finally we get this. There is a problem in the NCERT, the exercise 7.1. there is a question root x 3x squared plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Just solve is multiply the root x in the inner part and just we get 3 into x to the power 2 plus root say what is the x to the power root is half. So it's x to the power 2 plus half in plus 2 into x to the power 1 plus half plus 3 into root x dx. Just integrate it and the final we get this answer. तो बेसिकली कुछ नहीं करना है, कुछ फॉर्मूलेज है जो अभी तक हमने सीखे उन्हीं का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन चल रहा है फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में और इसी को आगे सॉल्व करना है. मैं आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम दे रहा हूँ, इनको 3 या 4 प्रॉब्लम्स को उनको सॉल्व करना है आपको. ये फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन है, ये सब ये बुक आपके भी एनसीईआरटी से ही क्वेश्चंस हैं. आगे चल के अपन कुछ अलग से भी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. तो ये 3 क्वेश्चन ये रहे, इनको नोट कर लीजिए और ये सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहा. सो थैंक यू गाइज. So student, we just end this lecture here, and we will meet in the next lecture. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.